In this video, we want to talk about the three pillars of financial IQ. What are the three pillars of financial IQ? Financial intelligence. I know you've been talking about financial intelligence, financial intelligence. What are the three pillars of financial intelligence? Number one is financial intelligence has to do with three M's, which is number one, making money. Number two is managing money. And number three is multiplying money. And these three pillars, they are sequential. You cannot jump from one to the other. You have to move sequentially. Because for you to be able to manage money, it means you know how to make money. And before you can say you want to multiply money, it means you know how to manage money. So it's in an order. So number one is making money. While we were not taught how to make money in school, financial intelligence was never taught in school. Number two is that many of us were only taught how to spend money and not how to make money. How do I mean? We were taught, we were giving money, go and buy this, go and buy groceries, go and buy omo, go and buy that, go and buy food. But they didn't teach us how to make money. The major way they taught us on how to make money was go to school, get a good job, and that is it, the end. Go to school, get a good grade, and get a good job, and you'll be fine. But you and I know that is an archaic way. That is an old-fashioned way of making money. Because if you look at the current economy all over the world, everything is increasing, inflation is rising, food prices are rising, prices of goods and services are on the high side. But what about the salary? What about salaries of employees? It's almost stagnant. At times it grows by, let's say, 3, 5, or 10% yearly, while others are rising at the rate of 30%, 50%, even some 100%. And if you don't have any other thing you are doing, it means you are stuck. It means you just have to live on loans, live by borrowing, or any other means. So number one, you need to know how to make money. And for you to know how to make money, you need to know how not to make money. How not to make money. You don't make money by begging. You don't make money by fraud. You don't make money by all this entitlement mentality. You don't make money by marriage. All this you need to know. Many people think they can make money by begging this one, begging that one, but it's only momentary. We are talking about something that is repeatable, that is duplicable, that is duplicatable, that you can duplicate over and over again. If you ask somebody for money today and you are asking the person maybe the following week, eventually you become a nuisance to the person. So please, you don't make money by begging, you don't make money by fraud, you don't make money by all those means. That's not what we are talking about. We are talking about legitimate, repeatable, and duplicatable means by which you can make money. So you need to know how to make money. And one of the simplest way of making money is by being a middleman, by becoming a broker, which means you may not have the products physically, you may not know, you can just know where, you just need to know where are they selling, and just look for people who will buy the product from you. You don't need to carry the products all about, especially in this age of internet of things. Just go online, post the product online. The people that need it, they will contact you. They don't know whether you are the owner or not. You can go to where it is being produced, make a short video and put it online. Those are little ways. Those are ways you can start. Because some people say, I can't start a business because I don't have capital. Even in this matter, you don't need capital. That's why wealthy people will tell you the first thing you need when you are talking about business is knowledge. So have the knowledge of the products you want to sell, go where they are selling it in bulk, and look for those who are in need of these products, prospect to them, present this product to them, and eventually they will tell you, go and get it for us. As well as you can get few samples, that you can show them. That is the first way that I want to talk about. Making money, that is the simplest way. Number 2 is managing your money. You must know how to manage your money. It is important, because if you are only making money and you don't know how to manage money, that's why many people, they think their problem is more money. The more the money you get, eventually you see that the more you need, and you wonder, what is happening? If you can't manage 100,000 naira, I can tell you, you cannot manage 1 million naira, because Parkinson law will always catch up with you if you don't know how to manage money. And what is Parkinson law? Parkinson law says expenses will always rise to meet income. So that's why you have seen people, they were only earning, let's say, 500,000 naira, and the moment they start earning 1 million naira, automatically something just take up that increase, that 500,000 naira increase, because it's a law. If you don't guide against it, it will catch up with you. And the only way to prevent it from happening is by knowing how to manage money. Part of managing your money is by protecting your money. Protecting your money from vipers, from those who will take it from you through begging, through this and that. Wealthy people, they will tell you, choose your charity. Don't allow your charity to choose you. You see some people, what you cannot buy on yourself, that is what they are buying. And after they have bought it, they will now come to you, brother, please, I need this. Brother, I need that. I can't pay my house rent. And you wonder, when you had the money, why can't you pay? Rather than paying for your house rent, you use that money to drink beer, you use it for entertainment or something else. Do you understand? So you need to know how to manage money. And the number 3 is for you to know how to multiply your money. I want to say this, the only way your money grows is through investments. The only way you grow your money is through investments. So the question is, which investments are you engaging? Are you deploying for yourself? So for you to multiply money, you need to know how to invest money. And it is not enough to just say you want to invest. You must have a knowledge of what you are investing in. Don't join all this bad wagon of people who invest in quick get-rich-quick schemes that flies about in the economy just because they know that people are in need. They come up with schemes that the ROI are unrealistic. That's not what we are saying. Know the legitimate means of investment. If it is real estate, ask questions, make research, ask your broker. You can ask me. I'm a real estate broker. Do you understand? If it is real estate, if it is the capital market, if it is the stock market, ask questions. Even if it is treasury bills that you want to invest in, fine, the ROI may be small, but at least it is a starting point. It is the starting point. So these are the 3 M's, the 3 pillars of financial IQ. You need to know how to make money, you need to know how to manage money, and you need to know how to multiply money. In this video, I have mentioned how not to make money, and you need to know how to, and the simplest way to know how to make money is by being a middleman, by being a broker. Know how to manage money, know how to multiply money. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do by clicking on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we release a new video. On this channel, we talk about real estate, we talk about finance, we talk about personal development. So if you're interested, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell. And you can also share so that it can help people like you who wants to grow their life. Thank you.